How to turn on low power mode on iPhone. Want to save battery life on your iPhone? You can quickly turn on low power mode to reduce certain background activities and help your battery last longer. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Depending on your iPhone and iOS version, tap Power Mode, then select Low Power Mode. Once it's turned on, your iPhone will reduce certain background activities and other features to help conserve battery. You'll also notice that the battery icon in the top right corner turns yellow, which indicates that low power mode is active. On supported iPhone models, you can also turn on adaptive power from the same settings area. When enabled, adaptive power can automatically make adjustments when your iPhone needs to conserve energy, helping your battery last longer throughout the day. And that's how to turn on low power mode and save battery on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.